This is the conga-HPC CRX1, powered by the AMD Ryzen AI embedded X100 series processors. It is a COM-HPC Client Size C module designed for superior CPU, GPU, and NPU performance for physical AI applications. It's an ideal platform for robotics, autonomous outdoor and utility vehicles, and medical, surgical, and care robots. Here is what sets it apart. First, maximum performance. With up to 16 Zen 5 CPU cores and an integrated RDNA 3.5 GPU with 40 compute units, this module delivers extreme processing power to replace bulky discrete AI accelerator cards and simplify your system architecture. Second, rugged reliability. The module supports the full industrial temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius and features soldered memory to ensure maximum resilience against shock and vibration in demanding environments. Third, heterogeneous computing. This module combines CPU, GPU, and an integrated XDNA 2 NPU to run physical AI workloads on the most efficient compute engine locally with low latency and high data privacy. Beyond the key features, this module provides a massive 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory to host large language models and accelerate data-intensive workloads. You get 24 high-speed PCIe Gen 4 lanes for broad connectivity and sensor fusion, 4K display support at 120 Hz for immersive visualization, and robust security because it is developed in accordance with the international cybersecurity standard IEC 6244341. Designed for determinism and rapid integration, the high bandwidth of the Infinity Cache and unified memory architecture makes the conga-HPC CRX1 the ultimate partner for complex physical AI edge applications. Want to get started right away? With aReady.YOURS, you shorten your time to market and accelerate deployment significantly. Configure your module as required with our hypervisor for system consolidation, pre-installed, configured, and licensed operating systems and IoT connectivity. To simplify design in, we offer flexible evaluation and application carrier boards, powerful cooling solutions, and comprehensive design guides. And if you need solution beyond standards, with aReady.YOURS, we provide you with customized comms, cooling, and carriers, or even a full custom design optimized for your individual applications. Ready to innovate your edge applications? Order your samples at congatec.com.